So the condition of my room is so bad right now. If you didn't skip, thank you very much. This is just a video of time lapse me packing everything when I was moving from M Block, moving or leaving, whatever you can say. So I have been getting so many DMs about how do we book the hostel, what if any room is not available, how is the fourth sharing Minakshi hostel, and the most important part, is there any PG or flat available nearby? If you didn't get any room, then that is the main thing which you need to know. I'll be answering everything one by one. So let's get into the question answer session, or maybe I can say I'm just answering all the DMs because I got so many DMs. I hope you guys got a hostel room, because for first years I guess hostel is the best thing they can live, and yeah, hostel life is very important. So it's good that if you get, if you didn't get, it's fine. How do you book the hostel? You just go to SRM student portal. There will be hostel section. You just go there, check if it is available, select your hostel, and according that you just click on it. If it is available, book it, pay, book it, that's it. Then what if any room is not available? If it is not available, either you can call the administration or like hostel service, or you can mail them about your query. You can send a letter, if they can do anything for this. If they can, then that's a very good thing, because some people change their mind even after booking their hostel. They want to live out or do something. So if they are doing that, then you might get a room. So you can ask this to hostel administration, or else if they can't help, then you can't do anything. Then is Fort sharing Minakshi hostel good? Well, I am not sure about it. I can't give you photos and everything of that because I don't live there now. But then yeah, I can ask my friends or someone who lives there. Well, it's mostly for first year, so I don't think so I can help with that. It will be good only because when I lived, it was a fourth sharing and it was not bad. So I guess it's fine. You just have to adjust, and you know, when you come there, you learn to adjust things. So it's all good. Then the most important question, is there any flat or PG available nearby? So yes, there is flat and PG available nearby, but you will have to search for it. You will have to find according to your preference. Currently I am also living in a flat which is quite far. It's like 2 kilometers from SRM, but then it's a very good place, so I love living here. uh, PGs are also available, but then you'll have to find, uh, is if there is anyone in Chennai, your family or someone, you can ask them to find, so that they can just go talk there, because near SRM there is some place called TRS. Well, that's not a very famous, I mean, it's a very famous place but not for good thing. And in Potheri there are so many PGs, so yeah, you can try over there. Potheri, there is this flat abode, like it's basically SRM students. Everyone there is, most of the people there are from SRM. And then there are this there is Estancia. It's like a place where family lives, but then SRM students are also here, so yeah. Then afar there is VGN and all, you can see in this video. So this is my not mine actually, 1103, yeah, that room's window view. It's actually very beautiful. So yeah, you can try finding out there. I'll show you one more of the view. Like, the view is so pretty. Like, the tech park looks so good. I don't know, They should change the color view. Okay, why is it 3 times? I was trying my zooming thing. You can see people over there, the stairs. Well, I would like to hear your experience when you come here, so do comment out, like, after watching this video you come to SRM. Do tell me if you liked SRM or not. Well, I don't think I can say anything on that. So yeah, that is Stantia, yeah, the one which I zoomed. So okay, so let's get back to the hostel video. Now I'm going through the stairs down to show you guys how is actually this whole place. M-Block. This is the corridor. It's I will show you the photo of the thing in the last. Right now I'm going to 703 to help my friend. Yeah, there are 8 lifts in the whole hostel. There are 8 lifts, 2 in the front, 2 in the back, and 4 in the middle. So I am right now on 7th floor. There are the 2 lifts in the front, and there are stairs also just beside the lift. So that's why here my friend is like packing. She'll go. She is also leaving. She has already packed. So when you leave the hostel, you have to keep the stuff. If you have booked your hostel for next year also, you have to keep your stuff in the hostel. So for that, she has kept everything out. This is the night view, you can say. That's SRM hospital, and the construction work is going on over here. Well, it's not a bad place though. I like M-Block. Just the restrictions are too much. So you can see 703, and everything is done. The packing is done. So yeah, the room I have already shown you guys. If you have not seen the room yet, please go check that video, cause from that you will actually get to know what all do you get in a M-Block room. It's like a premium hotel. Yeah. So now I'll show you guys the other thing. So this is ground floor. This was the time when I was gonna leave. In like, I guess 30 minutes I was leaving M-Block. So I just thought of recording before leaving. This is the ground floor. You get a good cafe. It's a very beautiful cafe from inside though. But then yeah, too much crowd. And then you have a store over here where you get everything, literally everything inside. You get noodles, you get chips, everything, like basically a general store where you get everything. Hello. Then there is another cafe where I used to drink tea all the time. Then you can buy clothes from here and other accessories from here. This is the middle where you get 4 lifts, and there is stationery where the printout shop is there. Another stationery. There is the beauty parlor also inside, and for food there are restaurants. So yeah, it's a good place. And then there is gym. This is the study hall. Yeah, this is the study hall, full AC study hall, and you have gaming room also. And this place you can just sit here and chill, but then yeah, it's very hot, so people usually don't do that. This is the gym, but then I guess it's closed, so I can't show you guys the gym room. Yeah, it is closed, so I can't show you. Now we'll go to mess. Mess is very big, like, yeah, according to the students, according to the number of students, it's not that big, but then yeah, it's pretty big, and it's good. The food is not bad here, so I guess you can live here. So this is the mess. I'll take food today and eat something. Let's see what is there today. Don't worry, no, you don't get only this in the mess, you get so much, like you'll be filled. For the first 10 days you'll be like, wow, this is the best mess I've ever come, they give so much and all. But then yeah, after a few months you'll be like, okay, I just need this much, that's why I took that much. Well, you get milk too, and here I am drinking milk as if I am drinking in some very big cafe. But then yeah, and then I came to my friend's room to help her take her stuff. Too much stuff, I had very less. So that's the wrap for the M-Block video. I hope you liked it. If you have any doubts, DMs are always open. Here I am leaving M-Block forever. Now this will only be a video of me chatting with my friend in the car. So bye bye. Freedom भाई, काश ऐसे ही SRF से भी निकल जाते।
भाई SRF से ज़्यादा टाइम तो रोएंगे यार, कॉलेज खत्म हो रहा होगा ना।
भाई हम लोग भी अच्छा था, इट वॉज नॉट बैड तो। अगर रिस्ट्रिक्शंस नहीं रहती ना तो मैं रह जाती।
अच्छा होता ना, इवन अगर केसी वाला खाना होता वहाँ पे दाल अच्छी होती।
नहीं भाई, मेरे को खाना से घंटा फर्क पड़ता है क्योंकि मैं खाती नहीं हूँ, लेकिन रिस्ट्रिक्शंस नहीं रहती ना तो मैं रह जाती इधर।
I'll be your new cook.
अच्छा, गुड।
You know how to cook?
Of course.
Oh yeah, I remember you telling us that day in Estancia. Remember when we went for
Maggie disco
at night? I don't know when.
Do you remember?
I'll make anything you want.
व्हाइट सॉस पास्ता भाई, वही खाना, वही बचा है मेरे को खाने।
खत्म, बाय बाय, टाटा, गुड बाय, गया।